Hey guys, it's Leah Santiago and today I'm going to show you how to use the new overlays on Funimate. And I'm sorry for my hair, you won't even see it in the tutorial anymore. But you know, my hair has its days. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and most of the time it's bad. But that is not why you're here. You're here to see the overlays and how to use them. So let's get right into that.
As you can see, I already added all the clips and put them together and also cut them so they go with every beat. So this is how my edit is looking like before the overlays and the transitions.
I want to order myself, I swear. You don't need nobody else, I swear. I want to order myself.
Now I'm just going to show you how to do it. You press this button right here in the middle of these two clips and it will show you how to overlay. I always like to add a extra transition with this because as you can see the overlay is kind of transparent, so I will do this in the clips and I will give you some tips while I do. I personally like better when people do like this, you know, they use the same transition here because I don't know, I feel like it looks more clean in my opinion. If you want to do it a different way, that's totally fine. This is how your edit is going to look like with all the overlays and the transition you added.
I want to order myself.
Wait, I forgot to do
I want to order
here.
I want to 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 order myself, I swear. You don't need nobody else, I swear. I want to order myself.
So this is a really simple tutorial which I always like to use these overlays because they just add a little color and touch to your edits. Like every single edit needs a little bit of color to make it pop, you know what I mean? To make it extra. And I always like to go to the extreme with my edits because I do my edits for my idol to notice me. I personally don't have a Billy fan account, but I have a Jake Warden account, which is Jake's Makeup on Instagram, and I get noticed a lot there because I really like to be extra. So if you would like to see any other tutorials, please comment them below and make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Comment below other tutorials you would like to see next and follow me on my social medias. My YouTube is Leah Santiago, my Instagram is Leah Santiago with 2 O's at the end, and my Funimate is Leah Santiago. So yeah, see you next time.